Hello, this is Hoover Dude U6430-900, and today I will be showing you how to replace the bag on a Hoover Windtunnel Ultra Self-Propelled. My model is U6430-900, but this will be the same for all other Hoovers in the U64XX-XXX series. So, what you will need is your vacuum and your bags. Now, bags. I recommend settling for these EnviroCare microfiltration vacuum bags. You get 11 of these in one pack for $11.99 on Amazon compared to bags like Febreze, sold at Walmart, or any other bags. You can also settle for a cloth shakeout bag for these vacuums if you do not want to deal with disposing HEPA bags. Before I put this down, these take Hoover Type Y bags, though Type Z bags could also work if it's one of those 2-in-1 Type Y, Type Z bags you can find at places like Goodwill or other shops. And if I didn't say that you need your vacuum, you obviously will. So before we begin, you want to make sure that your vacuum is unplugged and away from any power source. You do not want to work on a vacuum if it's plugged in. You could damage the motor, the vacuum, or get yourself hurt. Especially if the floor switch mechanism is broken, which this one's floor switch mechanism is not. So what you want to do is press down on this little button back here and pull away from the vacuum. Set the bag door aside, and there you will see your bag. Now, you want to make sure if your bag is still good, or you don't have to do this if the bag is causing some sort of odor, but make sure the bag isn't punctured or leaking. And after you're done checking, you can remove the bag if it's not leaking or is in okay condition. Some bags have this bag door or this slot. I don't know how you call it, but some bags have this cover you can put on the hole just to keep dust from escaping any further. I'm gonna do that right now. Hold on, let me adjust my camera. But if your bag has this cover, you can peel off the papers covering up the adhesive side and cover it up. It'll take me a minute, but there we go. Now you can set your old bag aside and pop in your new one. You also want to make sure your new one is okay, there's no holes or damage. Hold on. Some bags have the hole covered up. You can simply open it with your fingers, and you can also open the bag like this, or keep it flat. Now, to install the bag, you want to align the bag collar with the inlet inside the bag chamber and push it in. Push it in until it's flush and flat with the back of the bag chamber, and you want to tuck the bag in, make sure it's nice and secure, and then you want to reinstall your bag door. This will complete the air pathways of the vacuum, and there we go. So that's how you replace the bag on a Hoover Windtunnel Self-Propelled Ultra. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video. Bye!